YouTube, Shelkins. Here's Charlie and Brandy. Piggies! Piggy piggies! Piggy piggies! Oh, right. I just received their new fleece. Sorry, in my finger because I keep. Just received their new fleecy items from Just Add Pets, where it is a polka dot daisy. Charlie's not sure about at the minute, are you, Charlie? Charlie! And then a snuggle sack. Which I think he does like. And they're not bad. So thank you, Just Add Pets, and they are good quality stuff. What are you doing? What are you doing? Where are you going? Charlie, what are you doing? Come on. Very good quality. So thank you, Just Add Pets. Thanks for watching. Bye.